ways before crossing. Look both ways before crossing. Don't spill your drink. Don't spill your drink. Wash your face. Wash your face. Finish your food. Finish your food. Let's do your homework. Let's do your homework. Wash your hands. Wash your hands. Let's play together. Let's play together. Help me with dinner, please. Help me with dinner, please. Get dressed quickly. Get dressed quickly. It's time for school. It's time for school. Put on your shoes. Put on your shoes. Time to sleep. Time to sleep. Look both ways before crossing. Look both ways before crossing. Don't spill your drink. Don't spill your drink. Wash your face. Wash your face. Finish your food. Finish your food. Let's do your homework. Let's do your homework. Wash your hands. Wash your hands. Let's play together. Let's play together. Help me with dinner, please. Help me with dinner, please. Get dressed quickly. Get dressed quickly. It's time for school. It's time for school. Put on your shoes. Put on your shoes. Time to sleep. Time to sleep.
Do you like dogs?
Yes, I like dogs.
Do you like dogs?
Yes, I like dogs.
Very good. What is she doing?
She is helping her mom.
What is she doing?
She is helping her mom.
Very good. Are you ready?
Yes, I am ready.
Are you ready?
Yes, I am ready.
Very good. What are you doing?
We are talking.
What are you doing?
We are talking.
Very good. What is he doing?
He is sleeping.
What is he doing?
He is sleeping.
Very good. What are they doing?
They are playing in the garden.
What are they doing?
They are playing in the garden.
Very good. What is he doing?
He is drinking water.
What is he doing?
He is drinking water.
Very good. What is he doing?
He is eating food.
What is he doing?
He is eating food.
Very good. What are they doing?
They are playing.
What are they doing?
They are playing.
Very good. What is she doing?
She is washing her face.
What is she doing?
She is washing her face.
Very good. What is he doing?
He is swimming.
What is he doing?
He is swimming.
Very good. Who are they?
They are best friends.
Who are they?
They are best friends.
Very good. Do you wake up early?
Yes, every day.
Do you wake up early?
Yes, every day.
Are you good at math?
No, I'm not.
Are you good at math?
No, I'm not.
Are you waiting for someone?
Yes, I'm waiting for the doctor.
Are you waiting for someone?
Yes, I'm waiting for the doctor.
Do you play video games?
Yes, sometimes.
Do you play video games?
Yes, sometimes.
Can you help me carry this?
Sure, I will.
Can you help me carry this?
Sure, I will.
Can I sit next to you?
Sure, please.
Can I sit next to you?
Sure, please.
Do you go to the library?
Yes, often.
Do you go to the library?
Yes, often.
Do you like ice cream?
Yes, I love it.
Do you like ice cream?
Yes, I love it.
Can I borrow your book?
Sure, take it.
Can I borrow your book?
Sure, take it.
Can you show me the way?
Sure, follow me.
Can you show me the way?
Sure, follow me.
Are you on vacation?
Yes, for a week.
Are you on vacation?
Yes, for a week.
Can you give me the remote?
Sure, here it is.
Can you give me the remote?
Sure, here it is.
Are you scared of spider?
Yes, a lot.
Are you scared of spider?
Yes, a lot.
Do you believe in ghosts?
No, I don't.
Do you believe in ghosts?
No, I don't.
Can you hear me?
Yes, loud and clear.
Can you hear me?
Yes, loud and clear.
Are you planning to travel?
Yes, next month.
Are you planning to travel?
Yes, next month.
Do you cook at home?
Yes, I do.
Do you cook at home?
Yes, I do.
Can I ask you something?
Yes, go ahead.
Can I ask you something?
Yes, go ahead.
Are you happy today?
Yes, very much.
Are you happy today?
Yes, very much.
Do you prefer summer or winter?
I prefer winter.
Do you prefer summer or winter?
I prefer winter.
Can you clean this up?
Sure, I'll do it.
Can you clean this up?
Sure, I'll do it.
Are you afraid of dark?
No, not at all.
Are you afraid of dark?
No, not at all.
Do you watch TV shows?
Yes, I do.
Do you watch TV shows?
Yes, I do.
Can you give me a ride?
Yes, why not?
Can you give me a ride?
Yes, why not?